How to defeat the Devourer in First Descendant game application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily defeat the Devourer in First Descendant. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, before we get into defeating the Devourer, we need to make sure about the weak point. The weak points and the electricity are going to be your best friends during this fight. So it is recommended that you go solo using the aforementioned builds from the above while playing as Bunny or getting a squad of many friends together using multiple bunnies and a usine. As the Devourer's weak points, you will find these to be the easiest to be destroyed. Sensor breakable, core cover breakable, balance knees breakable, and then after core and soldiers removable. As soon as the match starts, I recommend focusing on the balancer on the Devourer's knee in the First Descendant. It is a large target, easy to hit no matter which character you are playing as, and can deal a massive amount of damage. So that's it. That is how easily you can defeat the Devourer in First Descendant. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.